I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Duducream overhead garage light. This is a really great light. It's super powerful. It's an LED light that you can screw into one bulb to basically replace like one bulb on a garage light. So if you just have one kind of exposed bulb lighting your garage, it's probably not very bright even if you put a high wattage LED bulb in there. So instead you can screw this in, and it's actually got these 4 positionable light panels, so you can cast light all around your garage however you want to. Mine is the daylight balanced, so it's very bright and kind of a very bluish light, almost like you're out in sunshine. And again, you can position these so you can light different parts of your garage differently. You can focus the light in different areas. And it's about apparently an 800 watt equivalent. So it's not actually drawing 800 watts, but because these LEDs are so efficient, you're getting about an 800 watt equivalent light out of that one socket. So this is great if you have a dark, kind of dingy garage and you don't necessarily want to run new electrical for new lights. Put one of these in there, switch it on, and you get, again, about 800 watts split between these 4 equivalents, split between these 4 LED panels. Lights everything up really nicely. Even at night, you can work in the garage, you can more easily pull your car in, just safety coming home. It's really a great product.